Be strong.
Hello and welcome. Today I am going to be showing you how to install Canon Remote Operator Viewer. Let's get started. First, open up your web browser. URL type in usa.canon.com. Under Search Product, type in your product. Mine is a color 3525. Click Support. Click Software and Drivers. Under Operating System. If it is not detected, please select your operating system minus it Windows version of running Windows 10. Scroll down and select under Type Drivers, Software or Firmware, or Utilities. I will select Software since we are installing Remote Operator Viewer. Click Download. Once downloaded, we will save the file. Under Downloads you will find the file, right-click and run as administrator. Click Yes. Extract to the location you want. Open the folder. Double-click on Setup here. You will need to download and install this Future.net Framework 3.5 is needed to run the software. Once completed, click Close. Run Setup once more. Click OK. Click Next. Agree to the terms. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Click Yes to user control. Click Close. Go back to your web browser and open a new tab. You will need the IP address of your copier. Here you will need the default username and password, which is administrator with capital A, and password as 7654321. If you do not have one, you will need the default for department ID and PEN. My ID is 7654321. PEN is 7654321. Click Administrator Login. Once logged in, go to Settings Registration located on the right. On the left side, scroll down and look for License and Other, which is located under User Management. You will now see Remote Operation Settings. Put a check on Use Remote Operation. Check under Password. You are freely to enter any password you like. I will enter 1, 2, 3, 4 for demonstration purposes. Click OK. You are now able to log out and close the windows that are not needed. Go to your Windows search bar and type in Canon Remote Operation Viewer. Once open, it would ask you to enter IP address of the device. Mine is 192.168.1.1.0.5. Click OK. Enter the password 1234. You are now logged into the Copier interface. Congratulations, you are now done. Thank you for watching. For more further videos, please subscribe to our channel.